Hello and welcome to Bitunix, your home for futures trading and spot trading in the crypto markets. My name is Tim, and today I'm going to introduce a new feature, which is the coin margin trading. So first of all, let's understand the differences between coin margin trading or USDT margin trading. So if you go up here to the top left on the tab, you'll see the new section, which is the coin M futures versus traditionally it was just the USDT M futures. So USDT M futures are futures trades that are settled in USDT. Doesn't matter whether you're trading Bitcoin, XRP, or Ethereum, you use USDT as the margin, and your profits or losses are paid in USDT. Coin M futures are the exact same as normal futures trading. However, you're using the underlying asset as collateral, and on top of that, your paid or loss is paid in that underlying asset as well. So I'll show you an example. We're going to head over to that area. We're going to select Bitcoin. Now you'll be met with the same exact interface that you normally would see in traditional USDT futures tradings. The only difference here is it shows your margin in the BTC denominated value. So first you have to swap or transfer rather your Bitcoin, ETH, or whatever underlying crypto asset that you want to use in the trading. You just have to send that from your spot wallet to your futures wallet by simply clicking this button right here. And once it's transferred, you'll have that balance right there. And you can see if I was using ETH, it would be denominated in ETH. I don't have any ETH right now, so that's why it's 0. So now that we have this amount in Bitcoin, we can take a long position just like we normally would, and we can slide our slider or type in a normal amount right here, and then we can open a long trade like that. And as you can see, just like the normal coin M futures, now we are in a long position, and you can see our PNL is denominated in Bitcoin now, versus normally that's the USDT value right here. We can set a stop loss just like we normally would on the USDT side. We can also drag to set a take profit. But the main benefit of this and why anyone should use this over the USDT traditional futures is if you're bullish on a certain coin, like Bitcoin for example, we can hold that spot position of Bitcoin plus use that Bitcoin as margin in our trading account. And then when we make additional profits, those additional profits will be added directly to our Bitcoin balance. We don't have to go to the spot order book and buy or sell Bitcoin anymore. It'll just be directly added. So if you really like a certain coin and you want more exposure to it, this is a great way to still be able to future trade while hold that spot position. Anyways, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.